Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a master lock M830DLH. And you may be asking, quite rightly, why on earth have I bought myself another master lock? Well, there is a good reason behind it for a future video, which hopefully you'll see upcoming. Other than that, I don't really have any defense, but it is actually specifically for a future video. Now, as ever, Marsalt marked their own homework and they've given this a 9 out of 10 security rating, or have they? After all, it doesn't say 9 out of 10 security or 9 out of 10 physical security rating or 9 out of 10 cats prefer master lock or 9 out of 10 anti-pick. It doesn't say. And it also says best cut resistance. Again, comparative to what? Who knows? Best in the world compared to a 2 meter wide solid steel rod? I don't know. It also says max clearance. Is that really the maximum clearance? And it has, obviously, you know, that's on the x-axis, sort of the width, and I'm like, is that really the biggest width that they could do? I've got a mass lock that is a 70mm one, which has a shackle width which is at least twice that, I'd say. If they mean height, no, Masslock do much higher ones. I don't know what any of this means. It does say it's a limited lifetime warranty, but how that is limited, again, I'm not entirely sure. There's a lot of words and not a lot of explanation. That's all I'm saying. And they would say it's for locking up garages, trailers, and factory gates, I guess. Well, I hope that's a factory. And yeah, it's got dual. Okay, so good things about it is double ball bearing locking mechanism, so it's anti-shim, boron carbide shackle, more brittle but stronger. I like this hexagonal shape to it as well. Is it hardened steel? No, it's a zinc die cast body, so that it isn't hardened steel, so it's zinc, it's a bit soft. Easier to melt, but you know, it's a rare attack. But overall, it's very average. I think, you know, I'd use this for internal uses in somewhere which is low security, but I'm not sure I'll be tempted to use it for these things personally. It does come with 4 keys. You can see this is brand new, so I guess we have to try to pick it off the pack. It's a master lock, so I'm assuming we can rake it. This normally goes in this is it M1 style keyway? Yeah, so that sits in nicely there. I've got one of my own designed rakes here, and we'll just go in and see if we can't do something with this. Oh yeah, and we're already open. Now, how do I get this off the packet? So it looks like it's possibly guttable, but I don't want to, because I need it for a future video, I don't take off these this rubber cladding, because I fear that I might tear something off it. But it does look like it's... Oh, how do you get this off? Oh, you slide that bit out, don't you? That's it. And then you do that and do that. Yeah, get rid of this, put it to one side up here. Now let's have a look here. Technically, yeah, I think you can take this apart. It looks like the core could drop out. I don't know. Let's have a look. If it's easy to do and it won't destroy it. Try and get the light in there. I'm not convinced that if I pull this out, it won't tear. Give it a little tug. My fear is I'll never get this back in again. I don't know if they've glued anything on here. If I gently tease this off, will it? We're learning something today. Okay, so this does come off like this. Okay, that's interesting. Ah, okay. Oh, okay, so this is interesting. It looks like, yeah, so I can easily get that back on. Yeah, that's easy enough. Right, phew. We can gut this. Let's just try and single pin pick this first, though. 1 second while I get some stuff to gut this with. Okay, I'm back. I'm just going to close this back up, and we're going to try single pin pick this now, and then we'll try and gut it. So, oh, look, it says M830 on there. Cool. Got a little drain hole there as well, so let's go in with pick. feels. What's going on here? Oh, 2 pins. 2 pins. That's all that's needed. Okay, that's terrible. But we are open. Right, now, let's see if I've got all the right tools for this. I didn't know you could gut this, actually, which is why the video is so weird. I just thought it was a standard, you know, master lock. I didn't realise you could take this apart. It's kind of cool if you can. Why has it got like a whole cassette thing going on here? This bit seems actually quite well made, which, you know, is, if anything, a bit infuriating because, yeah, it's typical master lock. They don't give you they give you something which is repinnable, a little 5-pin lock. I don't even look at the keys. Is it 5 pins? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 5-pin lock. So look at that. Yeah. Wow. You never really need to look at the keys on these locks, do you? Okay, and then can we gut this? Oh, it's crimped, but it could be that we can. Let me try. I don't want to take the keys off again, so I might just try to rake this open. Yeah, no, I don't want to do that because it is crimped, which means I won't be able to get a follower in there. Or will I? Hold on, I have an idea. Maybe a too small follower on this lock would be okay. If I use enough shims. So I've got a few followers here, which should be about right. Maybe that one. I want something which is a little bit too small. So let's have a go. Right, let's rake this open quickly. This is an adventure, isn't it? And look at this, it's like a copper core. I've never seen that before. I don't think so. Oh. What is going on here? I swear that's open. It is. There you go, we've got that open now. And if I move that around to... I need to move it, I need to pick it anti-clockwise, I think. If I can. Two secs. It's easier if I hold it like that. There we go. That's so stiff. Can I just pick that backwards? So there you go. Off camera, I'll just pick this round, and I need to just all the key pins are there. I don't want them to drop out. Ideally, not yet. Oh, I see. I think we've got an issue where the driver pins are too short, and I think there's a driver pin and a key pin in one of these. Yeah, I think so. So if these are the key pins. If I move that around, that's going to be a problem, I think. No, should be okay actually. Let's try and do this. I'll try my best. So that moves around there. As long as I don't get the springs damaged, I should be okay, I think. Okay, right, so that's 5. That's 3. Oh, well, if we got this, we'll get them the right way around. There's a driver pin in there and a short key pin, which is in 4. So they came together, that's why it's so stiff. That's 2. So we have a too short key pin, which means we didn't pick it, and the driver pin came with all in one go, which is why it's so stiff. If I can get this one out as well, this is pin 1. Not great quality control here, is it? And then we need to just rotate this round to this position. That should mean that I can push this out, I think. No, I can't, but if it's crimped, maybe I could. No, because then it'll all come out. Usually, sometimes with these crimped cores, you can push them out once that crimp is in that position. Does that make sense? But it looks like that isn't going to be an option on this, which is a pain. So I might have to just reassemble it. Okay, well, we did a partial gut. Here are some of the key pins and one of the drive pins. I'm going to have to try and force this back around now, this poor lock. Oh dear. Well, there you go. That's a Master Lock M830DLH. I hope you like that. If you did, leave a like. Any comments about this lock? It's a mixed bag of like quite good design followed by really bad design. I don't know. Let me know what you think to this lock in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button and notifications. It all helps me out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.